Hello guys, this is Aaron from Strada. Today I'm showing you what a 4-bedroom apartment looks like in Vida Residences, Dubai Marina. This property has just come to market at 9 million dirhams. It comes with a fully equipped kitchen. It's a 4-bed plus maids with 4 bathrooms. When you enter the apartment, you're welcomed with this stunning marina and sea view. You can enjoy this sea view from both the living room, the kitchen and the first bedroom. Here we are now entering the first bedroom. As you can see, there's an attached balcony overlooking Dubai Marina. All 4 of the bedrooms come with a built-in wardrobe space. The total built-up area is just over 2,350 square feet. Here we are now entering the maid's room, which can also be used as a laundry room. Again, a stunning marina and skyline views. Vida Residences is a brand new residences by Emaar. It's a branded building. The apartment has never been lived in and was just handed over very recently. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please don't hesitate to contact me on the details below.